Pizza at the 4x8 square foot garden. Woo-wee. Look at that. Tell you what, it's slowly adding up, isn't it? You see my worm dirt in there. I'll be making another Vermi-Compost bin soon. Max, get out of here. That ain't for you. That big cat. There ain't nothing in there for you. You don't like coffee grounds and banana peels. Look, you want banana peel? No? Okay, we'll throw it in there. What? You want an old toilet paper roll? No? Okay. We'll throw that in there. Yep, little paper towel. I don't know how that got in there. Let me throw that in there. Here, look. Want another banana peel? No? Okay. Get out of my way then. No. Oh, okay, here. Another one? Throw that banana peel in there. What have you been doing? What about eggs? You like eggs? Yeah, you probably like eggs. Yeah, I think Max likes eggs. Throw those eggshells in there. Yeah. Ah, banana peels. Are you hungry? If you want fed, you're gonna have to get up on my front porch. Look at that. Balls. Okay. Ah. There we go. Apples. Woo-wee. Move. Yeah. Damn. Yeah, I know. You go eat something else elsewhere. Cats, I swear. Always gonna get in your way. Coffee grounds. Banana peels. Coffee grounds. Oop. It's more coffee grounds. What? You coming back for more? You don't like coffee grounds. You don't like coffee grounds, Max. Old strawberry pieces. Max thinks he's trying to spray. Max was fixed years ago, so look at him going up there pretending like he's spraying on something. He ain't spraying on nothing. Stop pretending. What is wrong with you, cat? So anyway, Max. I said the word pizza, and Max came running. All right, get some more coffee grounds. Oops. I don't know. This is becoming a not daily routine, but like a once every other, say like a third day routine. Look at that. Throw that in there. Yeah. Now for the pizza. Undo the pizza box. Throw this in there. The things people do to build good gardens. All right. Of course, this pizza box is probably gonna smell real good. Some critter's gonna come out here and want to mess with it. Max will come over and pretend like he's spraying on it or something. All right, pizza box. All right, I'll just throw that pizza box right here. No, actually, right down in there. There we go. That way the wind won't get to it so much. All right, now this cantaloupe went bad really quick. I don't know what the problem is with the grocery store, but a lot of our stuff has just been going bad quick. I think it's coming in from another part of the universe and it's frozen for 2,000 years before it gets here. Oh, Wilson! Oh no! Oh, sorry, that was from one of my favorite movies. All right. Oh, cantaloupe. Let me. Ooh, still smells good. There we go. Knock it out. Cantaloupe. Oh well. Look at all the seeds. tell you what, I'll probably have a bunch of cantaloupes growing out here this year. Look at that. Seeds everywhere. What are you doing, Max? Running around. You getting excited? Talking about cantaloupe. There we go. Okay. That will attract a groundhog. Groundhogs love cantaloupe. All right. I guess that's a good update on adding to my 4x8 square garden. Won't be long until I'm putting another layer of dirt, well, actually cardboard. Probably one of the next things I'll do is do around the edges. Let's go ahead and get cardboard around the edges and kind of clean that up a little bit. Put some cardboard around the edges and then grab some wood from my next 4x8, which is going to go right here on this side, and start working on that. And also gathering up some more composted stuff from way back in the back 40. Anyway, if you like my videos and like watching me make a big mess in the yard, give me some thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, give me some comments, and help me, give me some guidance. Yeah. All right, talk to you later. Bye.